Hey everybody, good afternoon. Well, it's myself and Ray, but she's in the swimming pool at the moment. Just giving you a bit of a tour of the pool area where we live. Well, we're renting here for 6 months or 12 months while we're in the Philippines. So I thought I'd just gonna say hello and give you a walk around the pool. It's lovely, lovely warm day today, about 38 degrees. Summertime's slowly coming in the Philippines, which is great. So let me just give you a little bit of a tour. Anyway, to continue, this is the pool area where we live. So, how you going, alright? There's the pool attendant man. Oh, this is the pool where we live. 35 metres I think it is. It's lovely. There's my lovely wife over there, attempting to have a bit of a swim. And this is a bit more of kind of where we live. We live in that block there, 19th floor, third from the top. And like I said, this is a swimming pool area. It's a really lovely day today. I just thought I would show you a little bit before I go back in the water as well. Ray, say hello.
Hi everyone. Nice day at the pool. Very good weather today. Yesterday we couldn't go swimming because it was raining. But now it's the perfect day.
So there we go, guys. I just thought I'd give you a quick look at what we're doing today, lazy Sunday. Anyway, everyone, so we've just finished our swim and now we're on the back in our apartment, 2-bedroom apartment, which we're going to give you a tour of. But it's just this afternoon, it's 3 o'clock. It's time for a nice glass of the favourite Stella. And also a bit of a shisha. There you go. Anyway, obviously Ray can't have any of that at the moment because she's pregnant and she's been very good. So there's a few more things coming up, as we know. We've got 3 weeks, 6 days until baby arrives, hopefully. So we're all kind of getting ready and got everything already sort of bought. So, you know, bottles, sterilizer, car seat, jogger, buggy, and all the shenanigans what comes with the baby stuff. So anyway, yeah. So we'll see where we go. We don't know where we'll be in 6 months' time, though. I've no idea. Depends on work and what have you. But just at the moment, we're okay financially. So we're going to just chill for another several months just to relax. And before I get back into sort of my kind of work, which is quite high pressured and challenging, I'd like to spend some time with the little baby, you know, before you have to get back stuck in. So that's what we'll do. Probably enjoy summer here in the Philippines, go to a few islands. I want to go right up north. There's a beautiful place up north, and we'll take you along with us because I said I'm in the Philippines for a little while, so I want to make sure I see some of the Philippines. And now that all tourists can come along, then you know, there's no issues with travel. Hey guys, how are you? We've just done a bit of shopping and we thought we've not given you a tour of where we live at the moment, so we give you a tour. So it's called the Sharp Clark Hills, which is in Pampanga in the Philippines, and it's a really nice brand new complex. So here we go. See all the cars, it's so clean and new.
This is where we park our car, guys.
Yeah, and there's our little car here, as you've seen before. A little car parked. And then we'll get up in the lift and then we'll go for a wander and we'll take you with us. So, here we go.
So, there you go. Door's open.
As much as we can. So here we are, a nice golden lifts.
So we're taking you guys to first floor. There we go. Alexa said it. So as As you can see from our right, they've got a cafeteria, kids cafe, kids pool, fitness center, and an infinity pool. We'll show you that. We'll crop that one.
Okay. Okay, so now, right, right, so let's see, we'll take you to the swimming pool first, or should we take him to the gym first?
Gym? And
We'll
then
go to the
swimming
gym
pool.
first then. Okay, here we go.
This right here, guys, by the way, it's for visitors parking, and I think for the stuff.
Hello. So, friendly security guard man, say hello.
Say hello, Kuya. We're doing a vlog.
Hello. That's good. See, it's a beautiful blue sky again today. It's so hot in the Philippines at the moment. But there is a bit of a nice breeze now, so it's quite good. So we're going to take you to the gym. Hopefully if there's anybody in there, hopefully they won't mind just having a quick look. It's quite a good gym for obviously a apartment complex. So here we are, it's the gym I come to every day.
Someone's been missing this gym. And I
Yes.
think that person is me because I've been pregnant for so long.
As you can see, it's all pretty well equipped. Yeah, it's pretty good actually. It's got most things here. So every day, 6 o'clock in the morning, I'll come here. There we are. Hello. And there you go. That's the gym. Walk around to the pool.
You say?
But we'll take you for a bit longer walk rather than walk through the lobby. So let's follow Ray. Kids play area here. There's some men. Hello. We're just doing a vlog. Hello, hello, how are you? So this is like a little another car park, as you can see, it's nice. We'll take you to the pool in a minute. More apartments over there, Hilton Hotels over there where my finger is, somewhere over there. Okay. Another apartment block. Whoa, there we go, right up.
Right there is where our building is.
Yeah, we're in 103.
On the 19th floor.
This is the outside of the gym here. Pointy finger. Lobby area.
Not too busy today.
No. Then where we're gonna go now? Where should we go now?
We'll show them the kiddies pool.
Yeah, here's the kiddies pool. We'll just give you a turn around and we can see everything from the other end. There we go. And we've got keep going. We have like a mini golf, but I've never seen anybody use it yet. We've been here for 4 months. There's quite a lot of films made in this apartment. A lot of TV filming, isn't there? So there's another apartment block here, as you can see, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. So what we'll do now, we'll walk back and we'll get in the elevator and we'll go and give you a quick tour of our apartment, shall we?
Sure. Okay. So we're going on 19th floor.
The door is closing.
Here we are.
This is the 19th floor. The door is opening.
Alexa, open the door. Joke lang. Okay, so first we want to show you guys this little bedroom. This is a 2-unit bedroom. This is just a bit of a mess.
2-bedroom unit.
Huh?
2-bedroom unit.
What did I say?
2-unit bedroom.
No, I said 2-bedroom
No,
unit.
you didn't. You can check.
Okay.
Spare room, excuse the mess, ironing room. As you can see, our baby
So the
cot's
baby
there and
stuff.
stuff. So we're still sorting ourselves out.
And our other baby is following us around. She just woke up. So in here is the bathroom. There you go.
First bathroom, shower. There we go.
Yep.
Cool. Then we have a lounge area, stroke, kitchen.
It's our living room.
Yeah, exactly. Excuse the washing, but obviously it's Sunday, washing day, whatever. So,
And
kitchen.
on the left is the kitchen. Some cupboards.
This is Korean built, so they're quite minimalistic in what they want to do.
And right here is our oh you don't want to see that, guys. But anyway, this is where we wash our clothes. And this is where Lulu, our cat, eats and
Litter
you know.
tray. So, yeah, so sofa and here we go. Excuse the washing, but it is what it is. We're real people. Thought I'd just go show you a bit outside. You've seen this view off our balcony before. There's the kind of swimming pool. There's a lovely view we've got. A golf course in the distance. There we go. I'll just show you our master bedroom. So, oh, here's broccoli again. It's a bit warm for cats at the moment outside, so she just stays inside.
take you here. So right here is our master's bedroom. It's get quite warm lately because it's summer, guys. So we just leave this screen, these windows open. So here is back the balcony.
So we do our ensuite in here and a bit of a walk-in wardrobe, which we'll show you.
Let's go.
So walk-in wardrobe, full, absolutely full to the brim. More of my clothes really than Ray's. And ensuite. There we go. Got a bath this time rather than stand-up shower. Oh, and here's little Broccoli.
Say
Come to say
hello.
hello, our little cat.
Say hello. Don't be shy.
So, well, that's really it really, folks. So we just thought we'd give you a quick tour. And that's Sunday afternoon. Sunday, what day is it today? 27th of March. We've only got 2 weeks, 6 days until our little baby boy arrives, so we're still making preparations.
Yes.
And we'll keep you updated as we go. But other than that, hope you're all keeping safe and having a nice Sunday, and we will see you very soon. Bye bye.
Bye, guys. Keep safe. Mwah.